So today, we'll create a header and navigation with the navbar component. First, let's create a header component. So under the src folder, create a new folder, components. Inside this folder, create a new file, header.jsx. We will be creating a functional component. So add export default function header. Inside, add return, then add the header tag. Inside the header tag, add the s1 tag, add the text header for now. To show this component, let's import them in our app.jsx. Here, remove the button and the icon we had added previously. Also, remove the import of the button. Now, let's import header from components / header. At the bottom, add the header tag. Take the preview, and we can see our header component. Now, let's add this logo and the contact information. So, back in header.jsx, remove this s1 tag, and instead add a div with class header. To put the content at the center, let's use React Bootstrap's container tag. So open its official website, click Getting Started, Layout, Grid. We need to import container from React Bootstrap. So you can add them at the top. Then use the container tag. Inside, add a div with the class holder. Inside this div, add another div with the class logo. Then add the a tag, express lending. In href, add ASCII for the time being. Then let's also add the font awesome icon. You can search the icon and add them here. But for now, I will use the dev tool and copy the HTML from this website. You can then paste them inside the a tag. Take the preview, and we can see the logo. Then let's add this contact information. So add another div with the class contact info. Inside this div, add ul li. Inside li, add a tag. I will copy this number and paste them over here. In href, I will add tail colon and paste the number. Then add another li and a tag. I will copy this email and paste them here. In href, I will add mail2 : and paste the email. Let's also add these icons. Again, I will copy from the website, but you can add it from the Font Awesome website if needed. Check the preview, and now we can see both the logo and contact information. Now let's work on the sass to style them. First, let's create a variable.scss file so we can add primary color, fonts, etc. over there, and we can reuse them later if needed. So under the SCSS folder, create a new folder, base. Inside this folder, create underscore variable.scss. Here, let's add some variables to add different colors, fonts, etc. that are necessary for us. We have black, white, light black, and primary colors. And we also have Poppins as our primary font. Then let's create common.scss file so we can add common styles which are required for every component or page. So under SCSS folder, create another folder, layouts. Inside this folder, create a file underscore common.scss. To use a variable that we created earlier, add @use, choose the location of the variable file, as asterisk. Now we are able to use variables. So add the body. Here add font 16px font size, 1.8 line height, and primary font. Then add color $light black. To use this SCSS, we need to import them in app.scss. Remove this button, then add @use, location of the SCSS file, take the preview, and we can see the font is applied. Now let's create another SCSS, header.scss. Here we will add styles only for the header. So under layout, create underscore header.scss. First add @use, location of the variable as asterisk so we can use the variables. Then in the header class, add padding 30px 0. Again, let's import them in app.css. So add @use, Then add the location of the SCSS file. Check the preview, and it is working. Now, let's keep the logo and contact information side by side. So, in the holder class name, add display flex. Justify content space between and align items center. Check the preview, and it's working. Now let's style the logo. So add dot logo. Here add font size 28 pixel and font weight 600. In the A tag, add text transform uppercase, text decoration none to remove underline, and color $black. Finally, let's style the icon. So use I. Here add color, primary color, then font size 48 pixel. Check the preview. The logo looks good now. Then let's style the contact information. So add dot contact info. Inside add UL. Here add display flex. Justify content space between. List style none. Then add margin 0 and padding 0. Then in LI, add margin left 30 px. Then let's style the icon. So add I, add margin right 10 px, color, primary color, font size 20 px. Then finally add the A tag. Here add text decoration none and color $light black. Check the preview. It looks good, but we have some spacing after the icon. So let me remove this margin right. Take the preview again, and this time it looks good. Now let's add this navigation. So open React Bootstrap, click Components, Navbar. Copy the import of nav and navbar. You can then paste them at the top in header.jsx. Then copy this navbar tag and paste them before the end of the header tag. Here, We don't need the drop down, so let's remove them. Also, we don't need brand, so remove them as well. Take the preview, and we can see some navigation links. We then need the dark background, so click Color Schemes, copy BG and database theme attributes, you can paste them over here. Take the preview, and it works. There are 6 links, so let me add 6 nav links. In sref, I will select all and just add hash key for now. Then let's add these link names. Take the preview, and it is looking good. Finally, let's style this navigation. So add .navbar, inside add navbar -nav, inside add the a tag, here add text transform uppercase, padding 0 important, margin right 60 px. Take the preview, and this time everything is looking exactly the same. Great. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we'll create hero section with carousel component and data mapping. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you for watching and see you soon.